We are in Snoqueil, Washington, and there is a Thomas the Tank Engine train. Look at that, there's Thomas. That's cute. Look at that. Huh. Thomas. It's a sometimes vlog. It's a vlog that happens sometimes. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Johnny 2B here. Catherine.
And I'm Catherine.
Yeah, so we're here at the Snoqueil Falls. We are here in the Snoqueil, Washington. We're going to see the waterfall. So, see that now. What do you think, Catherine?
I'm looking forward to it.
I hear a waterfall. Giant wheel. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna get more coverage. Wow. This is the Snoqueil Falls. And that's something that's spectacular to say. Look at that, Catherine. Isn't that something? Look at that.
Can you film that?
Yeah, go ahead. Be careful. Wow. Impressive.
Okay, love you. Okay, definitely the first book is not a water to a bottle. It's okay. Oh, wow. And she only has one inch to climb on the TV. Oh, thank God! It's in 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It's the biggest show they've ever done and it's local. And this is not a year ago. They sold out of pretty fast. I think that girl Tessa. Yeah. And then this whole thing, then I was from Israel. And I went to sell the tickets. And she's like, I'll just like give you the money back. Give me the money back. Because she's like, I'm not going to go do that.
We are now leaving the United States, going into Canada at the Canadian border. There's the Canadian flag. We're going to cross into Canada. This is the Canadian border. We are now in Canada. Looks like Washington. We have no clue how fast 100 kilometers an hour is, but we're assuming it's around 70 miles per hour. We got them pretty quickly though, so we're just showing you Canada. We're going to Vancouver. Sometimes vlog, it's a vlog that happens in my hello gentlemen. We are now in Vancouver, Canada, and we are gonna try a steakhouse. Any thoughts, Catherine? No. Anyway, so we're gonna try this steakhouse here in Vancouver, Canada. Don't look that much different around here, does it? So we're in Canada. Weird streets around here. Not very convenient to people, I guess. Catherine, what are your thoughts of Canada?
I think it's beautiful and it's clean and very unique architecture.
Yeah, it's a very clean country. It is a very clean country. So we're going to try the steak. Of course, I don't know what Canadian dollars are in American. In the comments, if you people could tell me what $60 Canadian is in American to me. You can do that in the comments. Thank you. Walking downtown Vancouver, Canada, British Columbia.
Yeah.
We are in downtown Vancouver, British Columbia, and we're exploring. I mean, if you close your eyes and you open them, in my opinion, I feel like I'm still in the United States. I feel like I could still be in San Francisco or LA or something. You look at it, maybe close your eyes. But there are certain signs that they do have here that don't make any sense. Like they had one sign I saw, it said no stop signs allowed. They have these no stop signs that make no sense. That's how you know you're in Canada. They have this no stop sign. See, look. It says no stop signs, see? It says no stop sign. That's how you know you're in Canada. It says no stop sign. We ended up getting lost. Couldn't find the gift shop. We're gonna head back to the United States. This is David Johnny 2B.
And I'm Catherine.
We're signing off. Have a good day. In the United States. And rumble strips coming back in the United States. What? There's the American border back in the United States. It's Johnny 2B, David signing off.